Why no output, sir? Just we created a function. But we are if you wanted to exhibit this function body, this is also called as a function body antam. Do you wanted to see output actually? Then you need to call a function. While you are calling the function name should be matched. What is my function name? Prasad. Tell me. Prasad. Then you need to call Prasad function. What function? Prasad function. Now let me just try to run this code. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది మీకు. You understand, I guess. Can I continue? Good. Let's take this example. Hello Daniel, can I create two functions here? Good. This example is creating a one function. Creating a function. Can I create two functions? Yeah, you can create actually. Can I create two functions? Yes, you can create. Let me create two functions now. ఇప్పుడు నేను రెండు functions call చేస్తాను చూడండి. First one def Raju. What is my function name? That's still okay. Give person name so that you can easy to understand. Hello. The next one. Let me create one more function Rani. What is the first function? Raju. Next one. King and queen actually. Now I would like to make it good morning. I would like to make it what, Sarji? Good morning actually. Very good. Sir, I have a question. How many functions? Two. First one Raju. Next one. Good. Sir, if you call Raju function, I'm sorry, not Raji, Raju function will be triggered actually. You will get a hello. Can I ask a question? What actually? You need to call, sir. You need to. That's what the purpose of the calling. Until you call, function will not trigger. మీరు కాల్ చేసేంత వరకు ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాదు. Yeah, Ronnie, right? King and queen. Exactly, man. Like this, you can create any number of functions. Now I have created two functions. How many? Two functions. Creating two functions. Creating two functions actually. Yeah. Almost we covered these are all. Now I would like to, this example I have covered. New example today. Whoever all missed yesterday's session, this is the continuation from yesterday's session. Object oriented. Yeah, important, sir. Important actually. Good. What is the today topic? Tell me. Methods in str class. See, the topic belongs to object oriented approach. Object oriented approach, right? Hey Daniel, what do you mean by object oriented approach? Yeah, Daniel, I am writing a program. I am writing what exactly, sir? Program. Writing a program by using below topics. By using what, Sarji? Below topics. Below topics. What are those topics? First one class. What is the first one? Class. The next one methods. The next one object. ఈ మూడు టాపిక్స్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకుని if you are using these three topics to write a program, that is called as a object oriented approach. That is called as what, Sarji? Object oriented approach. You are following object oriented approach to implement a program actually. That's what you need to be understand. Adi meeku ardham kavalsindi. Daniel, I wanted to become expert in whoops actually. I wanted to become expert in whoops. Whoops means object oriented approach. Object oriented programming principles, these are all things you can say. If you wanted to become expert in object oriented approach, follow the below rules. There are 4 rules you need to be follow. There are 4 rules you need to be follow. If you are strong in these 4 rules actually, trust me, you will become expert in whoops. First one, how to create a class. What is the first one? How to create a class. You should have read. The second one, how to create a method. How to create a method actually. But can you please continue? Inside of the class. Chapandi? Yeah, that is important. Inside of the class. Method anagane class lopal create cheyali. Right? The next one, how to create an object. How to create an object to a class. To a class. General ga object deni create chestam ante class create chestam. We should create an object to the class. The continuation sentence is important. Last one, how to call a method. How to call what, Sarji? Method actually. Yeah, good. Very nicely we have written. Now let me execute one by one with one example actually. Okay, example to execute chestan chudandi. Let's continue. Creating a one class, one method, one object. First example, creating one class, method, object. The next example will be, let me create a one class, two methods, one object, something like that, so that you will get a clarity. Are you ready? Let's continue. Important, sir. Everybody make a note. First point will be, for my satisfaction, for my happiness actually, can we read all these points one more time? How to create a class. Yeah, thank you. Let me write a code actually.
వేరేలా ఉంది.
We can create a class by using keyword. Keyword name is called as a class. Class is a keyword in Python. Class is what such a keyword. By using this class keyword, we can create what such a class. Let me go for def is a keyword. By using def keyword, you can create a function, you can create a method. There are two ways actually. రెండు రకాలుగా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, రైట్? బట్ if you wanted to create a class, only one keyword. That keyword name is a class. What is the keyword? Inside class, what we can create actually? Methods. Remember this. Are you talking about the method? Method should be inside of the class. Method should be inside of what such a class. Let me write one small method today. Df teaching. Df what such a teaching, right? So imagine create like a function as it is. I like it. Data science and I like to teach kind of some data science and I like teaching. Though this is called as a method, here syntactically self is required. Daniel, why? We'll see later. తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం దాని గురించి. 10 minutes explanation. How long time? 10 minutes. I can talk later actually. Class, Daniel. Class I have created. df teaching self print, I like it actually. Method also I have created successfully. 2 steps we done successfully. How many steps? 2 steps. First one, class creation done. Next one, method creation done. Now hold on. Ultimately, if you create a function, you need to learn how to call a function. If you create a method, you need to learn how to call a method. Function you can call directly. Listen carefully. Function you can call directly, but method you should not call directly. Function మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా కాల్ చేయొచ్చు, మెథడ్ నాలో కాల్ చేయలేం. If you are still trying to calling a method directly like a teaching, you will get error actually. Error name is a name error. What error, sir? Name error వచ్చుద్ది. Name error. But I wanted to call. Then there is a bridge actually. Now here, create an object. Create what such an object. Object to a class. To a what such class. Object ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలో తెలుసా? LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to left hand side variable name, right hand side class with parenthesis. Class with what such? Left hand side, let me give variable name as a D. You can give any variable name. A vachu, B vachu. You can give any name. A, B, C, something like that. But it is always good practice. First letter lower case you have to give. And the first letter this and then lower case and that is the best practice. Manchi practice, right? Then let us take this one. Let us take this, Daniel. Yeah, good. And here is a parenthesis. Wow, sir, this is called as object creation. If anybody is coming from Java, in Java we can create an object by using new keyword. What keyword? But in Python, no new keyword actually, directly syntax. LHS equals to RHS. Don't think too much. Left hand side, think like a variable. Think like what such? Successfully you have created an object. Object ni create chesam manam, right? Daniel, why this object came, you know, sir? Let me tell you. Nenu question cheptanu chudandi. The moment once you created an object for the Daniel కి మీరు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసా? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ విల్ బి క్రియేటెడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఎస్, గుడ్. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాయింటింగ్ టు ద D. It is pointing to what such? D. And instead of this one, first method it will be stored. That method name is a teaching. What is a method? Now the beauty will be, do you wanted to call this teaching method actually object name dot method name. Object name dot, one more time, object name dot, conclusion of the story, we can call method by using object name. We can call method by using, this is a universal rule actually. Universal rule. See? So you can just have to go to the file, click on save. Now you can run the code actually. You will get an output, sir. You will get an output actually. I'm sure. Till here I covered yesterday. Can I continue? Let's continue. Then Daniel, can you cover the points actually? Yeah, sure. Class is a keyword. What is a Daniel? Name of the class. Chapman sir? Name of the class. DF is a keyword. DF is what, sir? Keyword. Again kiddama? Chapman sir? Yeah. Functions lo add cheyali kada? Meer marchipoyinattunnaru. Can I add it actually? Yeah. Let me just try to add here a dir function. To find, yes sir, number of methods in class. That class can be anything. ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు class actually. Can we read? ఒకసారి చదువుదాం. Print type range input in Errors also. Syntax error. In another 5 minutes, I am going to introduce one more error. Get ready. Just in another 5 minutes, actually. Are you ready, sir? Yeah, good. Maybe online team, somebody asked a question. What is the difference between function and method? Actually, please wait. Inka time undi. I will cover. 10:13. Daniel, I wanted to know how many methods are available inside of str class actually. Now dir of yes, dir of what, Sarji? Yes, actually. Let me just try to talk with you. Yeah, dir of function gives two types of outputs. One is two types of methods. One is with underscore symbol. One is with underscore symbol. Next one without underscore. Methods without underscore. First one is a upper method. Next one. You can ignore these are all. These are all an important methods we are saying. Upper method cross verify. Upper method. Sir, few guys are talking, please. What is the method name? Upper actual. Make ardenda, sir? Yeah, this is the way. We can check these methods by using dir predefined function. So internally, str class contains two types of method. str class contains two types of methods actually. Two types of with underscore symbol. What is the first one? With underscore symbol. Second one? Without underscore symbol. Without underscore symbol, right? With underscore symbol, you no need to focus. You no need to focus as of now. Without underscore symbol, we need to focus. We need to focus. Okay? Yeah, good. Print dir. Sir, let me ask you one small question. Can you tell me in the given example how many functions? Two functions. How many? Two functions. First one, print. Next one? First one, print. Next one? You should aware. You should recognize. Now important methods, count method, upper method, lower method, replace method, split, strip. These are all we are doing. We are working in a real time, regular base actually. Do you have a string data? Yeah, these methods are really required actually. These methods are really required. There is one important point. We can access method by using object name. We can access method by using object name. Daniel, when you will cover this point actually? This point during object oriented programming I will cover. Doing what exactly? Object-oriented programming. Now we are starting the important methods. These are all important methods. Let us move on. Let us move on. The first one is called as a upper method. What is the first one? What is the first one? Upper method actually. Let us continue. Upper method. First point. If you are talking about the method, if you are talking about what exactly, sir? Method. Sir, please be silent. Sir, please. I request you. I am begging. Please. Silent. Yeah. Upper is a method in str. See, hold on. If somebody is talking about the method, 3 points you need to talk. ఎవరైనా ఒక మెథడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడితే వాళ్ళు 3 పాయింట్స్ మాట్లాడతారు. ఎనీబడి. You also learn in the same way. I would like to explain about the upper. Then first point you need to tell, this is the method belongs to which class? Yeah, this is the method belongs to which class? Point number 1. Point number 2, how to call this method you need to tell. You can call this method by using object. Very good. Point number 3, what is the purpose of this method? That's it actually. Right? Sir, first point you need to tell, belong to which class? అంటే ఏ క్లాస్ లో ఉంది? Belong to what, Sarji? Which class? Belongs to which class? ఏ క్లాస్ లో ఉంది? Then how to access, ఎలా యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవాలి? How to call or access, ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి? Then the third one, what is the purpose of this method? ఆ మెథడ్ పర్పస్ ఏంటి? ఈ 3 గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఆర్ క్లియర్? లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఎనీ మెథడ్, ప్లీజ్ బి సైలెంట్. Any method, these 3 points important. Any method. Point number 1. Upper is a predefined method. Upper is a predefined method in str class. What class? str class, string class actually. Then we can call upper method chaptara by using object name. By using that to what object actually? String object. What object, sir? String object, right? By using string object. Anka idu ivalsina pani ledu, right? We can call this method. What is the purpose, sir? Purpose ento telusa? by using this method, we can convert from lowercase to, that's it sir, uppercase. Lowercase to uppercase actually. Lowercase to uppercase. ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. అప్పర్ మెథడ్. వాట్ మెథడ్ సార్? అప్పర్ మెథడ్. Let us continue. Let me read one small example. Good. Name equals to, get ready sir. Name equals to Kasagani Daniel. Kasagani what sir ji? Daniel actually. Let us print name. What sir ji? Name. Now if you are able to answer my question, నేను అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ కి మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే I feel so happy sir. Let me just try to access this. Let me close what all we are not using. చెప్పండి సార్. Let us print name. First name print చేద్దాం చూడండి. If you are printing the name along with my initial Kasagani Daniel, my surname Kasagani Daniel, I have a question. I don't want to print in lower case. I wanted to print in upper case. How to print? Very good. Upper method. What method? Upper method. Right. Do you think? Hold on. Do you think I can call upper directly like this actually? No. Then how to call? Object name dot method name. One more time. Object name dot method name. Right. I would like to say object name dot method name. Adi syntax. What is object actually, sir? Name. Okay. What is the method name actually? Upper. That's what you need to be understand. Exactly. See, all characters it is converting into uppercase. I have a question for you. What is a print actually? Function. What is upper? Method. One more time. What is a print? Function. What is a method? What is upper? Method actual. Can I continue? Previously one student asked one question. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు ప్రీవియస్లీ. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటో తెలుసా? అరే డానియల్, ఇమాజిన్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ స్ట్రింగ్ ఏబిసి 1 2 3 TF. Some symbol also I do have. Good. Think like, I know. Might be you are also having same kind of thought actually. Now, let me just try to print this one. So you are getting ABC, kind of some characters, numerical data and some special symbol. Can I apply upper method here? Sir, you can apply. Meer apply cheyochu din meeda. If you apply upper method, what happen, Previously one student asked actually. The point will be, where are all lowercase is available? Upper method will touch only those characters. If it is not a character, lowercase character, it will simply ignore actually. Pakkana bettestadi. And it will display as it is. Chudani, output how will get actually. Very good. See, lowercase ABC. We are getting uppercase ABC. Do you think we have a lowercase letters and uppercase, lowercase numbers and uppercase letter? No, sir. My teacher didn't explain actually. Numbers only one would have. Am I right? And this is the symbol. Yeah, symbols we are getting. DF lowercase. We are converting into a nice example. Let's take this. Then let me introduce error. It's a right time. I need to introduce one small error actually. Good. Previously one student asked one more question. What is that? ABC, DEF. See, these are all combination. Chudandi. We are moving on slowly scenario based actually. See, upper method main motto will be, sir, what is the main purpose for upper actually? Where lower case is available, it will convert. If it is upper case, it will keep as it is. It will keep what, Saji? As it is actually. Chudandi, you will get output like a, see, ABC and remaining is already upper case actually. Already what, Saji? Can I continue? Previously one student asked one question. What is that question, Arey Daniel, whenever you are executing this example, we are getting all our uppercase. All are what, Saji? But I don't want all are uppercase. I need in every word, first letter is uppercase. First letter is what, Saji? Uppercase actually. First let me execute this, then execute cheddam chudandi. You are getting all are uppercase. Then if you want the first letter uppercase, what we need to do, there is a one more method. That method name is a title method. What method, sir? One more time. Now see the output actually. Wow. Such a beautiful, sir. Such a beautiful actual. Title method, what it will do, where there is a word, First letter it is make it as uppercase actually. You can ignore the remaining thing. You can ignore what, Saji? Now your focus should be learn methods actually. Learn what, Saji? Methods ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతాయో నేర్చుకోవాలి. Learning Python is nothing but learn functions how it is working, learn methods how it is working. That is called as a learning Python. Python నేర్చుకోవడం అంటే ఏంటంటే ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతాయి, మెథడ్స్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతాయి, అది మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్? యా, నైస్ నైస్. Just take this. Sir, can I ask a question అడగమంటారా? What is the title here? Method. Simple. Method. One more time. What is the print actually? Function. Function actually. Function. I can make it this the title method. Title method. Now it's a right time. Previously, madam asked one question, right? I still remember. I kept hold actually. యా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి నేను దానికి, ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థం అవుతుంది. యు నో హౌ టు కాల్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్, హౌ టు కాల్ ఏ మెథడ్. మరి మీకు తెలుసు కదా. నౌ లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. యు నో సార్, ఐ నో వెరీ వెల్ విచ్ పాయింట్ ఎట్ వాట్ టైమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇట్స్ నాట్ 15 minutes, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 30 minutes ఓవర్. వీఆర్ సారీ బస్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, యా జలజ మ్యామ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఫంక్షన్ అండ్ మెథడ్? సార్, సచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కూడా అడుగుతారు ఫంక్షన్కి మెథడ్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి అనేది. రైట్, లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ. నేను క్లియర్గా చెప్తాను చూడండి. దేర్ ఆర్ 2 points I will cover. First, understand example. First, understand what Sarji? Example. Examples అర్థం చేసిన తర్వాత then prepare a theory. Prepare what Sarji? Theory. Are you ready? Can I continue? Examples కవర్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ I will write a function రాస్తాను. Then I will write a class. Then I will write what exactly? Class లోపల మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. క్లాస్ లోపల, I mean inside class what would we have? Methods. Can I continue? చూడండి, start it. Same thing I will take. DF Prasad. DF what, Sarji? Prasad. And here, hello. Good morning. Let me just try to call Prasad. Yeah, very good. Sir, I have a question for you. You can just have to ఈ ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేయండి. Now let me talk about this one. ఫంక్షన్ గురించి మాట్లాడతాను చూడండి. DF is a keyword in Python. DF is what, Sarji? Keyword in Python. By using DF keyword, by using what keyword? DF keyword, we can create a function. We can create a function by using DF keyword. The sentence is good. We can create a function by using DF keyword. DF keyword actually. By using function, we can perform an operation. By using function, we can, చెప్పండి సార్, perform an operation. Perform an ఆపరేషన్ అనొచ్చు, యాక్షన్ అనొచ్చు, ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ సే. బట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో, కమన్ మళ్ళీ సార్ చదువుదాం చూడండి. యా, డిఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ఏ కీవర్డ్ ఇన్ పైథాన్. లెట్ us maximize. Offline team, look at my screen, sir. DF is a keyword in Python. We can create a function by using DF. What is the main purpose? DF actually. By using function, we can perform what, Sarji? Operation. This is important point. We can call function directly. This word is important. Did you create a function actually? Yeah, Daniel. Call function directly. Call chain. Direct function call chain. These points we have to have. This is about the function. This is about what, Saji? Now let me talk about the method. Method గురించి మాట్లాడదాం చూడండి. Let me talk about the method. ఇప్పుడు నేను మెథడ్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నా. The one who asked question. Are you clear till now? Question ఎవరు అడిగారండి? Are you clear, boss? Let me talk about the method. Class Daniel. Let me take preaching. I love actual preaching. I love it. Why? Because sometime not in sometime during Sundays, I used to be more devotional actually during Sundays at my father church. During Sundays actually, good. Now D equals to Daniel. Now D dot what, Saji? Preaching actually. Good. Now let me just try to execute this one. Exactly. Take this code actually. Let me just try to write. ఇక్కడ దీని గురించి మాట్లాడదు. Same story. DF is a keyword in Python. DF is what? DF is a keyword in Python. The next one. We can create method by using DF keyword. What keyword, sir? DF keyword, right? Can I take the same sentence? And I can add here actually. We can create, instead of function, what I need to add actually? Method. Malli explain chestan chudandi. Look at my face. DF, I don't want to talk about the class, object, these are all. Why? Because focus on the method. Then may focus here, sir. ఎందుకంటే what is the question actually? What is the difference between function and what is the difference between method actually. Good. We can create a method by using df keyword, right? This is important. Method we should create method inside of the class. We should create method chapani inside of the class. Instead of what exactly, sir? This is the first difference you need to understand. Difference between function and method actual. Method గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు మీరు. Yeah, it should be available inside of the class. It should be available inside of the class actually. Good. The next one. Methods are depend on class. Methods దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటాయో తెలుసా? Yeah, I would like to say methods are independent. Methods are what, sir? I'm sorry, sir. Methods are dependent. Methods are dependent. But functions are independent. Functions are what, sir? Independent. అవి వీటి మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉండవు. One more time. We cannot call methods directly. Conclusion of this story. We can call method by using object name. That's the story, sir. That's why I told hold on for 15 minutes. ఎందుకు వెయిట్ చేయమని చెప్పాను, ఎందుకంటే యూ షుడ్ అవేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ అ మెథడ్, ఫంక్షన్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ట్రస్ట్ మీ, దిస్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. యూ కెనాట్ గెట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్. దొరకదు సార్ ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, ఎక్కడ మీకు దొరకదు. వెన్ ఐ సే ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, దట్స్ ఇట్. డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ బాస్? అండర్స్టాండ్. దెర్ వాజ్ వన్ కౌంటర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ స్టూడెంట్. నాకు ఒక కౌంటర్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది ఒక స్టూడెంట్. ఐ లైక్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టెక్నికల్, ఐ లైక్ వెరీ వెల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి అంటే, దిస్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ అవేర్నెస్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. ఈ పాయింట్ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యూ. ఎక్కడో చోట మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ లుక్ ఎట్ మై స్క్రీన్. ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ బోరింగ్? నో ఆప్షన్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఫీల్ బోర్ ఆల్సో నో ఆప్షన్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిసన్. సెషన్ వినాల్సిందే ఇంకా. ఐఎమ్ కిడింగ్. S equals to Daniel. S equals to what, Sarji? Daniel. Yes. I wanted to print into uppercase. I wanted to print into what, Sarji? Uppercase. How to print actually? Yeah, good man. S dot what exactly, sir? Upper. Good. Let's take this one. Let me talk about the two things. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం మెథడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డిఫరెన్స్ మాట్లాడాం కదా. Can you talk with me? What is a function? What is a print actually? Function. What is upper actually? Method. What is upper actually? Method. Previously one student told actually, you prove it actually. Wow, what a question. You are telling that is a function, that is a method, right? Prove it. Prove chey Daniel అని అడిగాడు. Such a nice question. That is challenging for me. నాకు challenging question అలాంటిది. How I proved, you know? He impressed actually. Anna, we understand like that. Let me prove it. I mean to say, what I mean to say that is, sir, print is a function. Print is what? We should not call print is a method. Print in method అని కాల్ చేయకూడదు. Upper is a method. Upper is what? Upper is not a function. Upper is not. Let me tell you. Mari చెప్తాను చూడండి. Print. This is a predefined function. This is what, Sarji? Predefined function. Simple. This is function. What it is not? This is not method. This is not what, Sarji? Method. Then upper. చెప్తారా? This is method. What it is not? చెప్పండి సార్. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్. లెట్ మీ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్. లెట్స్ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్. ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. లెట్ మీ రిపీట్ అగైన్. సార్, ప్రింట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్. అప్పర్ ఈజ్ ఏ, బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ సేమ్. రెండు సేమ్ కాదు. బోత్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. బోత్ ఆర్ వాట్, సార్జీ? డిఫరెంట్ యాక్చువల్. లెట్ మీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు ప్రూవ్ ప్రింట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్, వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, యు నో? ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రింట్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ యాక్చువల్. ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రింట్. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ డోంట్ నో దిస్ పాయింట్. మీకు ఇంతవరకు ఎవరికి తెలియదు కూడా. యా, గుడ్. లుక్ ఎట్ మై స్క్రీన్. ఒకసారి అవుట్పుట్ చూడండి. వాట్ యూఆర్ గెటింగ్, యూ నో? లెస్ దాన్ సింబల్, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ సింబల్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ దట్. బిల్ట్ ఇన్, ప్రీడిఫైన్. కెన్ యూ టాక్ విత్ మీ? ఫంక్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ అ ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రూఫ్. Print is a function. That day one onwards I am roaring like a dog actually. Anna, print is a function. This is the proof. This is proof anamata. Now let us prove upper is a method. Let us prove upper is what, Saji? Now let us prove s dot upper actually. Just don't give parenthesis. Parenthesis voddu prastaniki. Let us run the code. Wow, 1 minute, sir. Let us run one more time. Nobody never prove like this. But this is one extra step you are learning. Please focus. Uppudu focus cheyandi. Function. What is the function name? Print. Method. What is the method name? Upper. Where it is actually? str object. This is the proof, man. Did you understand? Yeah, very good. Very good. Like this. Like this. నేర్చుకోవాలి సార్ మీరు. పైథాన్ నార్మల్గా కాదు, ఒక మొక్క ఎక్కువ నేర్చుకోవాలి. దట్ యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సెషన్స్ యాక్చువల్. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ ఆన్ దిస్. దిస్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే వీ కెన్ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఫంక్షన్ అని మెథడ్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయడం. గుడ్ సార్. ద గుడ్ న్యూస్ ఇస్ we done what Sarji? 2 methods. Maybe last week I have given one small update. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న అప్డేట్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటాను. అప్డేట్ ఏంటంటే కమింగ్ సాటర్డే ఎగ్జామ్ అన్నాను కదా, let us just try to postpone to the next week. Why? Because syllabus is not up to the mark. Are you happy? It's okay. Let us push into the next week. It's okay. Come on, please listen. Let us push into what, Saji? Next week. Why? Because so the syllabus is supposed to move in a nice direction. Fine. So maybe again the next week 13th I can make it actually. Second Saturday holiday. Then I can push into Friday actually. I can push into what, Saji? Friday. Okay? Yeah. Go. Fine. Yeah, please. Enough. Chodanda ya. Boss, look at my face actually. Upper is a predefined method in STR class. We already know this. This method we should access by using string object. This method converts from lowercase letters to, that's it sir, that's it actually. See, name equals to Daniel. Print of before converting name you can print actually Daniel as it is printing. But after conversion, name dot upper, this is the method, this is object name. Method we can call by using object name. Method you can call by using simple. Remember that actually. After converting, all are uppercase we are getting. All are what, Saji? Thank God we have a method to perform an operation. Imagine if method is not available, first 2 minutes we need to cry, then next 3rd minute onwards we need to write a code actual. Then code manu rayali. Did you understand? The one who created a Python, he understand common operations. For that common operations he created a methods. He created what, Saji? That methods we need to learn. ఆ మెథడ్స్ మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి యాక్చువల్. మీకు అర్థమైందా? నాకు ఓపెన్ గా చెప్పండి. ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ ఎవరీబడి? యా, ప్లీజ్ లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఏ లోయర్ మెథడ్, రైట్? సో లోయర్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రీడిఫైన్డ్ మెథడ్. ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, రైట్? ఎర్రర్ నేమ్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. కెన్ ఐ కంటిన్యూ? యా, గుడ్. వన్ న్యూ ఎర్రర్ యాక్చువల్. బాస్, while calling the method name should be match. Everybody listen carefully please. Can you tell me what is the method name? Upper kada. While calling the method name should be match. Method name should be, otherwise you will get error. Otherwise you will get what, Saji? Error. Sir, this method is not there. Don't try to read also. చదవడానికి కూడా ప్రయత్నించొద్దు. This method is not there. While calling the method name should be match. Otherwise you will get attribute error. What error? One more time. Let me show you actually. Exactly we are getting this error. This is the common error throughout the course actually. Course మొత్తం మీద imagine, are you getting attribute error actually? Method name ఎక్కడో wrong ఉంది. Method name something went wrong actually, right? Now let's take this one. While calling the method, error name is a attribute error. What error, sir? Attribute error. Very good. While calling the method, name should be match. Name should be what, Saji? Match. Otherwise we will get error. Yeah. Very good, sir. Let us add into the errors. Syntax error, name error, value type error, index error, yeah, attribute error. ఇలా మొత్తం 15 ఎర్రర్స్ ఉంటాయి. 15 ఎర్రర్స్. If you know that errors, awesome actually. ఇప్పుడు చదివా, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Nothing is wrong. Come on, read everybody. Syntax error, name error, awesome, excellent actually. Online team, what is going on? So in the time of showing methods actually. What is a varchar characters? Varchar digits at the time of showing methods actually. Rajendra sir, what it mean actually? No, varchar characters are not available here, so please make a note on here. Right? Let's continue, please. Back to the session. We have a still time. Lower. Lower is a predefined method in STR class. This method we should access by using object. 3 points you need to tell. What it is, how to access, what is the purpose. Lower is a method in STR class. How to access by using STR object. What is the purpose? Convert from uppercase to lowercase. Convert from uppercase to lowercase. Very good. A equals to Raju. I wanted to convert into lowercase. I wanted to convert into what, Sachi? Lowercase actually. Let me print A and let me just try to, I wanted to convert into lowercase. How to convert, sir? A dot lower. A dot what, Sachi? Lower. What do, yeah, I'm sorry. Good. Thank you. Please don't scold me actually. Right. Yeah. You will get an output actually. Can I ask you a question? What is output? Very nice. One more time. Exactly. If method name wrong, close your eyes and you can tell very loudly attribute error. What error? That's it, boss. Lower method. Till now, how many methods I covered, you know? Yeah, yes, sir. You know, S is object to STR. Object to what is the STR class? Yeah, the first one. S dot upper method I covered. S dot lower method I covered. Third one, S dot title also I covered. What method? Title. Remember this one more time. Upper method, lower method, title method. You walk through this theory. Next method name is a strip method. What method? We have a time. Let's continue. Strip method. Everybody look at my screen, please. First point, let me tell you. This method is using by Google company. What company, sir? Then understand the importance. Dani importance ardham cheskondi. This method is using by what company, sir? Google company. Method name is a strip. What is the purpose of this method? Let me tell you. Ee method yokka purpose ento cheptanu chudandi. S equals to, please look at my screen. Let us take a Daniel. Let me just try to print S. S ni print cheddam chudandi. Can you tell me how to find the length? Actual length ela find out chestam? What function? Nice. The length of S kada? Yeah, you are getting 6. You are getting what, Saji? 6 actually. 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. Good. Sometimes, unfortunately, teliyakunda, imagine there are some extra spaces before the string. Unknowingly, teliyakunda, there are some extra spaces after string also. Unknowingly, right? Here also some extra spaces. Here also some extra spaces. In Python, these extra spaces are called as a white spaces. What spaces? You can also call as a white spaces, unnecessary spaces actually. Good. Now, you will get output, sir. Make output vastadi. But what is the problem, you know? The length nature is changing actually. You are getting output as a Daniel. But you know, before that you are getting some extra spaces. After that also you are getting some extra spaces actually. See, do you think, you know, this 6 and 23 same actually? No. Different. Are you with me or not, sir? Now, Daniel, I wanted to remove these extra spaces before the string, after the string actually. Then you need to apply method. Method name is a strip. What is the method? Let me show you. You know, Google ela use chestano chupistanu chudandi. Go to the Google. You can ask what is Python. What is Python actually? Python gurinchi adige mundu, unfortunately somebody calling actually, and you can just try to keep your cursor here. Now here is a string. There are some extra spaces actually. There are some, what's actually extra spaces. Google search engine should not say you given spaces, removed actually. You should not say. It's supposed to handle in such a way that it's okay. Let us handle back end actually. The moment when you click on enter button, see that space is removed actually. Don't look at the URL. The space is what such removed. Back end they applied a method. Method name is a strip method. What method? Strip method actually. Strip method. Are you clear? Now let me continue tomorrow. I hope you understand today's session. Can I get a response? Guys, listen carefully. While session is moving on, session చెప్పేటప్పుడు కొంతమంది మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్లీజ్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ స్పీక్ ఈచ్ అదర్. ఎందుకంటే సెషన్ డిస్టర్బ్ అవుద్ది. ఇమాజిన్ ఐ నెవర్ డిస్టర్బ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ మై ఓన్ ఫ్లో. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ టీచింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. దట్ టు ఐ లైక్ టీచింగ్. మీరు తిట్టినా పొగిడినా నేను టీచ్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాను. ఐ నెవర్ మైండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ టాకింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్ మే డిస్టర్బ్ యాక్చువల్. థర్డ్ పర్సన్ పక్కన ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి మీ వాయిస్ నాకే వినిపిస్తుంది అంటే హోల్ ఓవర్ క్లాస్ మొత్తం కూడా వినిపిస్తుంది. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సమ్ పర్సనల్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ 1 or 2 minutes ఇట్స్ ఓకే, మీరు మాట్లాడండి. బట్ కంటిన్యూస్ గా మాట్లాడితే మేక్ యూ నోట్. సింపుల్. Previously one student, previous batch, not previous batch sir, it happened around 2 years back actually. One student I told directly ana maatladoddu ani, he told I will talk directly, he told actually. Then I don't have any rights, nenu inka aapadaniki ledu. Simple, I told to admin. I told what sir? Admin. So and so student, I already told actually. Don't, he's first of all he is talking to you. First of all I never complain, I never, that is not my nature. I am very cool guy. I'm very cool if you're cool actually, right? Even if you're in a reverse direction, I will be do my work. That's it actually. I told to admin what he told, terminated from my group actually. Then he joined in other batch. After 2 days, third day he came and he asked, Anna, please I can join in this batch actually. I didn't allow. Did you understand? Sir? See, please, I request you, you guys came here for learning the session. If you don't, please talk each other actually. I'm sorry, did I hurt you? No. Please understand. Let us move on. Thank you for understanding. Tejasri not understand why? Oh, Telugu cheppana. Tejasri ma'am, don't you know Telugu? Tejasri garu. Manohar. Regarding question session. All right, no worries. For Telugu guys, I'm giving small suggestions. That's it actually. But fine, then we done today's session, sir. Did you understand today's session? Yeah, methods in string. Let me explain about the tomorrow agenda. Tomorrow we are going to close this string topic. We are entering into the topic. Topic name is called as a function. Tomorrow 30 minutes. String topic takes another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we are entering into the function. Function topic is again my favorite topic actually. Function already given small kick introduction, right? Just methods in nesting class actually. Tomorrow we are going to learn about the important topic which is called as a function. We done today's session, sir. And Daniel actually. One day completely let us arrange for revision session. Can I take 1 day completely for revision? Is it okay? Let me plan. Important topics all I can revise actually. Me kuda help avutundi. I will announce that day. I should continuously talk, right? If it is revision. Thank you. Now you can start each other. Talk each other actually. Now let us just go to the new cognitive window. Let us upload. Thank you.